Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Adblock to your Google Chrome browser so you can browse the web without annoying advertisements interrupting your experience. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and you're on any page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the browser window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is your main menu icon, so go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you hover over it, a submenu will slide out to the side showing additional extension-related options. This is where you can manage all your browser add-ons and install new ones to enhance your browsing experience. In that submenu, you'll notice an option that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on it. This action will open a new tab and take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, which is Google's official marketplace for browser extensions. Here you can find thousands of extensions designed to add functionality and improve your browsing experience. From productivity tools to ad blockers, once you're on the Chrome Web Store page, look at the top of the screen where you'll find a search bar. Click inside this search bar and type Adblock. Hit enter or click the search icon to perform the search. The store will then display a list of ad blocking extensions available for Chrome, with Adblock typically appearing as one of the top results. Look through the search results and locate the official Adblock extension. It usually has a red stop sign icon and millions of users. Once you've found it, click on the extension to open its detail page. On this page, you'll see a blue button labeled Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click this button to initiate the installation process. A small pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation and showing you what permissions the extension needs to function properly. In this pop-up, click the Add Extension button to proceed. Chrome will now download and install Adblock automatically, which usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection. After the installation completes, look at the top right corner of your browser again, right next to the address bar. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this puzzle piece icon to open your extensions menu. In the drop-down that appears, you should now see Adblock listed among your installed extensions. This confirms that Adblock has been successfully added to your Chrome browser and is now actively blocking ads on the websites you visit. And that's it. You've successfully installed Adblock on Google Chrome and can now enjoy a cleaner, ad-free browsing experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.